Windows 11 version 25H2. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Microsoft's next OS release in this video. The next version of Windows 11 operating system will debut later this year. Here's everything we know about it so far, including a potential release date, performance changes, and more. Microsoft is hard at work at the next version of Windows 11, which is expected to debut later this year as Windows 11 version 25H2. The company usually releases a new version of the operating system every fall, and we expect the same to take place this year. Windows 11 version 25H2 has yet to be officially announced, though there are references to its existence, and those have appeared in recent Windows 11 preview builds and documentation, all but confirming that it's in development. I will continue to update you on this YouTube channel, so make sure you like and subscribe before you leave the video. Microsoft has committed to releasing a new version of the Windows 11 operating system in the second half of every year. This usually occurs in September or October, and we will expect that to remain true this year with version 25H2. In the past, Microsoft has utilized what's called a phased rollout approach when it comes to the availability of version updates. This means that even though the update may be released in September or October, it's unlikely you will see it in the Windows update right away. A new version of Windows 11 will reset the support clock, which means users running version 25H2, once it releases, will be supported with security and bug fixes for longer than those who remain on version 24H2 or older. New Windows 11 versions released are typically supported for 24 months from their initial available date. Version 25H2 is expected to ship on top of the same platform release that debuted with version 24H2 last year. That means version 25H2 will likely be delivered as a smaller package or cumulative style update, not full-blown OS upgrade. There's good news in that style of update for version 25H2 will mean that an overall smaller download and install process will take place, which should allow your PC to install the latest release at a much faster pace, almost like a normal monthly security update. Microsoft has done this before with the Windows 11 version 23H2, which was based on the same platform release as 22H2 before it. So this isn't new and allows Microsoft to keep the OS stable by maintaining the same platform release for longer. The current platform release that 24H2 and 25H2 will be based on is called Germanium. Microsoft has confirmed that it is making improvements to Germanium throughout 2025, which will likely benefit the version of 25H2 released this fall. Thanks to Microsoft's continuous innovation strategy for Windows 11, Microsoft is releasing new features for the OS on a consistent basis. That means that version updates that arrive every fall often aren't very feature heavy, as many of the features that were in development throughout the year are already shipped by that point. However, that doesn't mean that there won't be some feature exclusives to 25H2. Microsoft has yet to confirm any specific features tied to 25H2, but we will be sure to let you know here if they do. Right now, we know Microsoft is working on a handful of new features that aren't yet shipped. These include a new start menu, and as well as customizable AI-powered agent in the Settings app, and much more. So I hope you all are having a great day, and leave a thumbs up and like this video, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you liked or disliked, and if you just hate Windows 11, let me know that too. That's absolutely fine if you do. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Catch you all later.